If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Hello folks, and welcome to Milk Call. Before we get started, Mr. Announcer, aka John, or whatever you want to call him, we met with the doctor today, and it is from his other lab test that he had, and it is cancer. So, is it treatable? Yes and no, because it's at a stage where if you treat it now would be
overkill.
It'd be more harder for Jake to endure, because it's like the good soldiers, they put it or here, and they're not making what they're supposed to be made to take care of his body. So like if he was starting treatment, the treatment would be harder on Jake to endure. So it's best to wait and see how the soldiers, as we call it, process through the weeks, but to keep a close eye on it. So he's got to go to the cancer doctor this week for a lab. Then he has to go to another cancer doctor to Dallas next week for another lab. And so then he goes to his doctor on the 5th. So we had all these things going on. And on my situation is not operable. Is that how you say it?
Optimal?
Optimal. How you say for the operation?
Operable.
Yeah, operable.
Oh.
Excuse me. Because I have so many different health issues going on within that it would be detrimental for me. I couldn't take it. And automatically it was like, so he's got his thing going on, I got my thing going on, and other than that, let's get on with the show. Pen mail. I guess it's pen mail. So let's see.
It's a pen, so yes, it's pen mail.
And look at this. Yes, you've seen this. Beautiful green. Yeah, I love the colors in these Jinhao XL 159s. You know, they're just, to me, look at that. Just gorgeous colors. And the trim on the body goes very well with these pens. Very, very affordable. So, you know, Jinhao has come a long way. And one day, sooner or later, Jinhao is going to start raising their prices. They have, slowly but surely. The thing is, are these pens worth the money? In my opinion, yes. So, is this a good pen to invest a few dollars in to get you started in the direction you want to go, to see if you like the big pens and the nibs, you know, fine, medium, broad? Yes. So that's it for today, my folks. Thank you. God bless. Have a great day. Bye-bye.